Hey everybody, what's up? Well, since we got all the people talking about coronavirus, this and that way, 5G, this or that, you know, and some of them are even talking about coronavirus and 5G. And we got all of the pseudos mixed in and the crazies. But I wanted to talk to you about a cough. And a poor brother that's been suffering with a cough I think it's been around 6 to 7 years that I've been knowing him. If it's been 7 years or more, forgive me. But this brother been coughing. When he gets stressed out, he coughs. The kind of cough that would make you turn around in the room and look at him and say, listen to this brother here over there coughing. This brother need a Ricola. Excuse me, that's not funny. Tuberculosis, walking pneumonia, Zika virus, coronavirus. None of these things are funny. But I'm telling you, it's got to be compounded when you have a person with a cough, an extreme cough. I'm telling you, if this ain't tuberculosis, that will do until tuberculosis come along. You hear me? This brother either got tuberculosis, walking pneumonia, kennel cough. Y'all know what kennel cough is? Some of y'all ain't never been to the dog pound, but you need antibiotics for that. You hear me? You need something cold-blooded for kennel cough. But listen, man, the point is that you don't take information about 5G and coronavirus or 5G or a combination of the two or any other medical or engineering information from anybody that's coughing for 7 years. You understand what I'm saying? That doesn't take nothing away from your intelligence. That just says to me that this person doesn't care about himself. For 7 years you've been coughing and you haven't stopped by AMPM or BP or somewhere and grabbed you up a pack of Ricola. In 7 years. Been all around the world. Been around the world and I. But I tell you, when you go around the world, that is definitely a need for vaccination. You need to be vaccinated. You need to be pumped full of antibodies. And sometimes when you go into these countries, like Brother Polight been all in Thailand the other year, over there eating roaches and bugs and everything, whatever the hell else they're eating in Thailand. Tigers and bats and everything. Excuse me, that's not funny. But when you're doing all of that kind of traveling, you and Nature Boy all in where was Nature Boy at? Nicaragua. You know they got SARS and goddamn snakes and bugs that'll make you just see your skin fall off in Nicaragua. Got flesh-eating virus and all of that. AIDS like you ain't never seen it. And Nature Boy said, don't worry about AIDS. AIDS is just like a sneeze. Just wipe your nose and keep walking. Hence, walking pneumonia and coronavirus living in these brothers. We had a brother the other year, poor brother. Our dear brother, Israel Doctrine. I love you, brother, but I don't like you. And you got Contagion. This brother, Israel Doctrine, he was sick last year and the year before last, consecutively, 2 back-to-back years. And the latter year was worse than the former. That means he got worse. And the cough, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, Freddy Krueger couldn't cough like this. You hear me? This brother had Zika virus and swine flu. Excuse me, that's not funny. Stop that. And this brother got folliculitis. Y'all know what folliculitis is? Inflammation of the hair follicles. That's when you done took that razor and turned it upside down and you go against the grain of your face. It just rip your face to shreds like Zion Lex do with it. Boy, Zion Lex know he like a close shave, man. What can you get Zion Lex for Christmas? A pack of Gillette razors and a good box of cigarettes. Zion to write a book. Now that is funny. But listen, man, let me get up off of this. Yo, wow. The point is, Brother Polight has kennel cough, and he's out here at large in the community, hugging people, being a mentor to people, robbing people. I mean, like a rabid dog, like a Doberman Pinscher with rabies in the community. You know. And this brother need to be picked up, man. This brother need to be picked up, vaccinated, castrated, and then quarantined to see if he heals. Mentally and spiritually. Now I'm going to say this to you, Brother Polight. You need to stop teaching people about coronavirus and 5G until you stop coughing yourself, okay? That's unfair to the ignorant. That's unfair that they would think that you actually have knowledge about, biology to that extent that you could teach them about not getting a cough, and you're hacking. Just make Brother Polight mad. I'm going to end it with that. I'm going to leave you alone because I know you're mad and you probably about ready to come find me and let me smack your goddamn beak around to the backside of your face like Daffy Duck. You better not come find me. Don't do that. Don't do that. But I'm out of here, man. Brother Polight, get you a Ricola or a Halls or get you a good hot toddy, man. You gotta go down south to Louisiana and you get you a hot toddy.